Hello everyone, in this video I will show you what is a read cell activity and how to use this read cell activity in UiPath. Okay, so here I have a sample Excel data. So now it is used to retrieve any cell data into your UiPath. So for example, if I want to get this data, I need to copy this cell name into our UiPath and sheet name in UiPath. So let me show you with an example. Click here and drag and drop Excel application scope activity because I am going to perform some operation in Excel. So I am going to use this Excel application scope activity. Let me provide the path of this workbook and it is a sample superstore. Open it. Now we need to use our activity. It is a read cell activity and click on it. Go to the properties and here you need to give these two values, which is cell and sheet name, and you need to create a variable at the output. First let me explain about what is cell. So here you need to give the cell name in the Excel sheet from where you need to retrieve the data. Okay, so go to our Excel. For example, if I want to retrieve the data or this date into our UiPath, I need to copy this cell name, Ctrl C, and go to our UiPath, and I will paste the cell name here. Okay, and I must and should give this sheet name correct. Okay, it is orders. Okay, and I'm going to create a variable at the output. So Ctrl K, and I'm going to name it as a cell data. So after retrieving data from this cell, it will go and store in this cell data variable. Okay, so to print that data in our output panel, I'm going to use a write line activity. You can also use a message box activity or anything. So before going to provide the cell variable here, I need to change the variable type to system dot data, date time. Okay, if you don't change this variable type, you will definitely get an error, and convert this to string. So using toString. Okay, click here. So now the task is done. Let me run and show you. Okay, it's fine. Click this output panel. So this is the data we have extracted from the Excel file. And what happens if you don't give this variable type? Let me change this to let it be string. You will definitely get an error, right? See, you got an error, right? So if you don't know what type of data present in that cell, what you need to do is go to these variables and change its type to generic value. Okay, browse for types and type UiPath dot core dot generic value. Select this one and click on OK. So let me save and run this. You will get a perfect output. Okay, our task is done. So if you don't know what type of data present in that cell, you need to select variable type as generic value. Okay, that's it. To practicing, please do subscribe and like to my video.